In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Brave Browser app. By updating Brave Browser app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this browser, and also you'll be able to fix any issues that might be associated with Brave Browser. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now for you to be able to update your Brave browser, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and open Play Store. From here, go ahead and log in with your Google account or Gmail if you are on Android. And once you have logged in, now you should be able to see a search bar here. However, if you don't see the search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it and search the app by name. So I'll search Brave and then tap on the search icon here. And here you should see we have Brave Private Web Browser, VPN. As you can see, I have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Brave Browser. To update, go ahead and tap on Update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Brave Browser and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can go ahead and tap on Open, and this will open the latest version of Brave Browser. And now here you can start searching. So that's how you can get the latest version of Brave Browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.